hustle, ain't no reason, man, a scammer. I put the puzzle pieces together and then I got
UGoddess, watch them. Use the eyeball and watch them. Them carry belly through them, see and the rocks them. You know, I want to say something sane. And I hope it don't offend me, DJ. Watch your style and how skilly. I feel like say if you have a customer appreciation day. Same like how Bunty do it every night with the people them. Coming right up, say them hot, that them not. Brother, I run with your career like when you see Bolt go for the world record, brother. I'm a run and left everybody. Some did I run with your career in a skilly. And even a bicycle me can ride, brother.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lioness, big up on yourself. I don't know Livefoot TV, and I hope all is well. I hope this vlog find you all in the best of health. You see me? Right now I'm there, just finish work and I go home. So I'm going to touch on a topic here, and I big up yourself banging. Yes, a banging a shame journey, you know, and his inclusion in Skillibeng career playing a part, playing a role, but failed to get any support back in return. Ever since once him gone through the door, you know, big up Skillibeng same way. Skillibeng prove a lot of doubters wrong. And I mean, enough people that say them like him style, him flow and all of them things done. Enough of the song that people doubt, they'll get them turn big monster song. Then so CD banging and say, yo, they have no dub plate, they have no bicycle, they get nothing. And I find it hard for you understand and comprehend, because somebody help you along the way, along the journey, to help your career to become successful or rich. And you don't look upon that person and give them back a helping hand. Channel my viewers and subscribers. I'm going to hear Wagwan, hear CD banging and say, and then you can let me know other things, see? Yeah man, but before that, banging of a song name, watch them, him and UGoddess. So I look a snippet, and you can go watch the full video and the full song and give me the support, see? Yeah man, support for support, man. Gratitude is a must.
Don't even hustle, ain't no reason, man, a scammer. I put the puzzle pieces together and then I got
UGoddess, watch them. Use the eyeball and watch them. Them carry belly through them, see and the rocks them. Go tell Fox H me you want see him max them. Them violate we a go hold them and box them.
Yes man, on your style, UGoddess, watch them. You see me, no take care for them. Big up UGoddess Empress. Nah, like you turn up, love the image and the figure, you know. Yeah man, UGoddess, watch them. Them carry belly through them, see and the rocks them, you know. I could tell HBO Cinemax them, you see it? The violator box them. Yeah man.
No ask them. Being rubbish, change them. Run them down with the joke, man, knock them. Then come a and a giggle. Tell Jim Carrey and the joke come in, we bust them head nigga.
Yeah man, watch them, don't trust them, don't drop a guard. Because enough of them when see come run and a what a giggle up. You see me? A snake on the grass them, you see it?
Done for no some man a real top ranking, better than Holyfield, Tyson and Dan King. Me know me friend from me, enemy them, but if a friend don't snitch the J.O.C. I go cramp him.
Yeah, but one thing with the CD bagging him always I find some mad flow and melody and words, you know, play with the words them. And you know someone a top ranking, better than Holyfield, Tyson, Dan King. You see me? You see me? If my friend don't snitch the J.O.C. I go cramp him.
watch your enemy, but don't forget your friends. Duplicity when true to veins of many men. When I go ultimate, we forget revenge. The universe will pick the winner in the end.
People, on the down, just watch the visuals. So the visual is nice and clean. Listen to the words. You gotta say, watch your enemies, but don't forget your friends. Don't remember your best friend and your worst enemy. Bob Marley tell her that. You see me? She said she not go to her way to get revenge. She'll allow them to time, allow the universe. The universe will deal with them, you know? Yeah, man, you see who will be the winner at the end, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, I sang the titled, Watch Them. So you can go watch the video. I'll leave the link in the comment section. Anyway, if it's easy for you to go and click the link and just watch it straight away. So I say, yeah, man. Here, CD banging, I say no, relating to Skillibeng.
You know, I want to say something sane, and I hope it don't offend me, DJ. Skillibeng, big up yourself. See you come on the internet and say you give thanks to the fans them for put you where you're there. Saying you don't know. Big up your damn self. But watch your style and how skilly. I feel like say if you have a customer appreciation day. Same like how Bunty do it every night with the people them. And Beanie do it every night with the people them. And Vibes Cartel come out and do it with the people them. Go and make enough local place and give us some things. You understand? We feel like every artist we are follow Vibes Cartel now. We are approach a new phase of dancehall right now, a new dimension of dancehall, a new era. Seeing the table are turn and Cartel are turn it. We feel like they are them to show them appreciation, brother.
Yeah, man. Who agree with the CD banging? Let me know in the comment section below. I am in agreement with him. Yeah, man. Flax him out.
See, not just come in and tell the people them thanks. Because especially all a man like me, Skillibeng, we start from Jump Street. Remember now, you know, end time, Gotti. And Gotti can be a witness of this in my general. When Gotti say, yo, banging, why you run with that song here? I'm an artist named Skillibeng. We're going to turn up the whole crowd. Saying, I want a song named Brick by Brick, you know. When I'm saying come give me with a brother dance street when nobody never know that song then, nobody.
Yes, man, I really talk, man. I can remember CD banging first me here with the song. I run on mixtape and them thing. And I say, yo, the song is bad, you know. It's a bust, you know.
And that's between me and Skillibeng and the East Side Warriors, them and Gotti. You understand? And Short Bass, them and Grand Spend. Seeing and Boom Boom them. You know, we played a part in the early part of the career of Skillibeng. Why? Remember, I CD banging attack. Remember when I reach out to Gotti and tell Gotti, say, Gotti, watch your style now. Make the G do be a dub plate. And I call some man phone and I make them know, say, yo, hear me now. That brother here go run the whole place, him name Skillibeng, hold that dub here. So come here and say, bro, when I go to Westmoreland and bleed off, the song down at Westmoreland and bust the place in a two, a bass sound man run to me and I call Gotti and say, Gotti, make Skillibeng do dub for them man too, and him do dub. One night time I circle the whole place with dub, brother. With Skillibeng, my general. And them time they had a dub there alone, me have up till this day. I remember Craveney, in the Mad Feelings, them remember them tune there? Coming right up, say them hot, them not. Brother, I run with your career like when Usain Bolt I go for the world record, brother. I'm a runner left everybody. So many did I run with your career in a skilly. And even a bicycle me can ride, brother.
Jaja. Not even a bicycle. Banging us not even a bicycle. But now, like, look, we still son away for no say man running the career them way they have done big top notch now. And not even a bicycle. Jano. Not even a thank you.
Even a couple new songs on them, something them in general. Jaja, it look bad, brother. And you know you're my artist, Skilly, man. You're my artist, you know, brother. Nothing no change. Me used to have number for you and I just say number change. And I can't get up on phone again. And I reach out to Gotti and I say, Gotti, tell the G, say, roops, no man. Never Gotti more time can't get you. You understand?
Jano, them thing I make some producer and I work with no artists, you know, some artists, you know. Yeah, man.
Short Bass, Gotti Bling claims record. Seeing, boom, boom. The whole of Grand Spend, I CD banging. And a couple few look more mixtape man too. We know the ball game from it just a start. Skillibeng. We know the ball game, brother. From it just a start. Street general them can tell them a general. And even a bicycle. Banging can ride star. Jaja. And a couple new tune, me reach out regular and say, yo, me need them dub, them tune and a dub, me can't get it.
No, like still, for me, like Skillibeng, you know what I mean? I'm a sister, I'm a val, them man, like banging and other people who run with my career and get me out there, you know? You know, it's to give them dub play, them now for ask. Anything at all, them want them to get, you see me? Because them help change my life also with the fans, them, you see me?
Skilly, have a customer appreciation day like Cartel, yeah? That me I tell you, so Cartel though, come out and I meet and greet him fans them and I make sure them get something. The man just walk in our club and say, yo, everything is on me. Send some anything there, so send some this, that. And when he walk out our club, woman I rush him and say, yo, me I beg you look money for send me UGoddess school. Cartel say, I want my DJ brethren to turn farmer now. Reach out to Cartel and Cartel send him couple bag of fertilizer and them something there, brother. Do that something then and Skilly, man. No, I'm a G, man. Respect our manners every time, though, yeah? Don't want you to feel offended, but me just have to talk. See, brother? Manners.
Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers, now you hear a CD banging and say, let me know what y'all think. And don't feel like CD banging and carry the belly and the feelings in it. The man say, Skillibeng is still him artist, him rate him. him just have to talk, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you can't get your grave with the thing in your heart. You have to talk, brother. You have to talk out, you see me? But anyway, big up CD Bang, big up Skillibeng, big up UGoddess, you know what I mean? Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And go check out the song. You see me, I watch them, you see me? Yeah, man, I watch them. Lion for TV, at the Man of Peace. Cool shites, blessed love.
Me know me friend from me, enemy them, but if a friend don't snitch the G-Car, I go cramp him.
Watch your enemy, but don't forget your friends. Duplicity, true to veins of many men.